In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. In order to check that, we're gonna of course open the video mode, and then we're gonna start recording. But first, let's use 4K 60 frames per second. I'm not gonna use 120 because we cannot change. We're gonna change zoom using that much frame rate. So I'm gonna begin with 60 frames per second. So if I start recording, then as you can see, the zoom is still available. But unfortunately, we cannot change lenses. So we are stuck with the currently selected lens. Let's switch to 30 frames per second. And in this case, it seems that we can switch lenses. We can see the change of the position of the object that I'm recording, which clearly indicates that we are switching lenses. So there we go. I'm going to also check 1080p, 60 frames per second. And in this case, it is also possible to switch lenses. So as you can see, it depends on the resolution and the frame rate itself, whether you can switch lenses once you start recording or not. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.